Growth and decay problems, numbers 8 through 10. I'm not going to write down the whole thing. That would take forever. I'm just going to explain. I'll read them, but make sure you're including your units because that's part of the answer, and then consider context when rounding as well. So 8 says there are currently 2,859 Tasmanian devils in a secluded forest of southern Tasmania. A parasite infects the population, killing 5% of the population every week. How many Tasmanian devils will remain after 25 weeks? So first off, you have to consider, is it growth or decay? Well, it's decay. All right, so this is number, let me back this up a bit. So 8 is decay. So the formula we would be using is y is equal to a times 1 minus r to the t. All right, where you're subtracting r, you're not adding it. Considering our values, we've got a is the starting value. There's 2,859 Tasmanian devils. The rate says it's killing 5% each week, so that's 0.05. Remember, you need to convert it into a decimal, and the time is 25 weeks. So then we just need to plug in our values. So 2,859 times 1 minus 0.05 to the 25th. All right, so you'll have access to a calculator. Make sure you're comfortable plugging in here. So when I plug in, I will get, let's see, 2859 parentheses 1 minus 0.05 to the 25th. 790. Here's what I get. I get 793 point. Let's say around the nearest hundredth, I would get 0.06. But when you're considering living things like people or animals, you can't have 0.06 of an animal. So I'm going to round down to the nearest whole number. So my answer is going to be 793 Tasmanian devils. Remember, when you're plugging this into your calculator, to do the exponent, it's this symbol right here. Right, this button is what's going to get you to the exponent spot. Let's see, 9. Jeremy purchased an antique Babe Ruth baseball jersey for $15,000. The value of the jersey will continue to rise at a rate of 3% every year. How much will the jersey be worth in 50 years? So this is growth. His money is going to be going up. His money will go up. So growth, so we're going to work with y is equal to a times 1 plus r to the t, because his money will be going up. His starting value is 15,000. His rate, the rate of growth, 3%, so it's 0.03. And it's asking after 50 years, how much will that jersey be worth? So it's 50. Y equals 15,000 times 1 plus 0.03 to the 50th. If I plug that in, I'm going to get 65,758. And because this is money, you're going to round it nearest hundredth. So let's see, 60. So dollar signs show money, $65,758.59. All right, I'm going to stop this and I'll do the last one in a separate video.